second edition of solving the work that we're given, and let's look at how best we can solve it. I was trying to work something out there, but I go through with you again for you to get the idea about it. Okay, so let's see. The second question says 1.5 m times 3.0 kg will give us what? We don't know. It is supposed to provide answer for it. But you see, this kind of question is one of the easiest of all. It's one of the simplest of all. You don't have to do a lot of work, because this one is just about sorting things out and putting them together. Okay, you sort things out and just put them together. The first one, as you can see here, we have figures with units. Multiply another figure too with units. So what you're supposed to do is that with this kind of question, which involves multiplication, we are supposed to sort the figures out and multiply them. Then we'll do the same to the units or the symbols. We sort them also out and multiply that one too. So what we look at it, 1.5, as you can see the solution, I put 1.5 times 3.0 in one bracket with a multiplication sign there. Then the m times kg also in another bracket with the multiplication sign also there. Okay, so let's see. Let's multiply the 1.5 times the 3.0 and see what you're going to get. I want us to all get involved in what you are going to get. So you can try that one too on your phone and see how best you can solve it. Let me clear what I have here. So you have 1.5 times 3.0 and we are going to get 4.5. Are we there? Good. We're going to get 4.5. So when I use it to check mine that I have here, that is this one, we are having 4.5 there. Yes, this is a 4.5. Good. That is what you're having there. So when we multiply what is in the bracket, that is 1.5 and a 3.0, you had 4.5 and we put it there. And when we go to the other side, that is m times kg, we just put it together and write it there. Okay, now with multiplication that involves alphabet like this. For example, when you take a times b, it's going to give us what? AB. You just put it together. You take 5 times j, it's going to give us what? 5j. You put that one two together. In real life, if you have a pen and a book in your bag, what do you have to do if you are to describe it? You just say you have a book and a pen in your bag. They describe it. If it were to be, you have one pencil and the other pencil, what you are supposed to say is that you have two pencils, of which the expression of it is going to change. So with this one, we don't do much of the work. All that we just do is to put them together. So from what we derived with, that is a 4.5 times the mkg, we put them together, we get what? 4.5 mkg. So that is what you are going to get. Now, with this one, you can choose to bring the kg first before the m, or do the vice versa. Sometimes, because we believe that they are alphabet, so we can put them in alphabetical order. And that one too is right. But all the same, once it is a multiplication, it is commutative. It is multiplication. It is commutative. Yes, so as I was saying that multiplication is what? Commutative. So in this case, when you take for example 2 times 3, it's going to give us 6. And 3 times 2 will give us 6. So whichever way you put it, the answer is supposed to be what? The same. So you see multiplication is what? Commutative. So A times B and B times A is going to give us the same thing. So you can also say mkg times or kgm should give us the same thing, but it shouldn't be g coming first before k, because k and g are together. We can't separate that one, so it's different from the m, so we attach it to the m. So that is what we have here. If you can see, that is what we are having here. And most especially, this is what we have. Sorry if I've covered it, but that is what we have. Most especially this one, this is what we have, and that is the answer there. When you look at it, the other ones are different. They are the units are different. You can't go for the C, because we don't have anything like that, so we'll maintain it like that. When you go to the third question, which is this one, the third question is this one. Yes, that one, the units are totally different. This unit is a derived unit. What you have here is a derived unit. A derived unit. It means that it is out of 2 units, and we got that. Out of 2 fundamental units, you know, the fundamental, the SI units, and we got that. So we can't do anything about it with the fundamental units there. That is the M. So that is attached to the 1.5. So we can't do anything. You can also choose to say that we are taking away the 3.0 from the 1.5. No, we can also do the same, because the units there are not the same, so we can't do anything for that. So with that one, you don't waste much of your time. The only thing that you can do is to choose the 4, which is impossible to evaluate. So you go for that one, and I think that will be that for the evening. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.